Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making one of my favorite cozy bakes, a coffee cake, but in muffin form. Soft, fluffy muffins with warm cinnamon notes and a buttery brown sugar crumble topping. They're perfectly portioned and perfect for a tea time. For the muffins, you will need maida, brown sugar, curd, corn flour, butter and eggs. Simple ingredients that create something so comforting. So start by mixing your dry ingredients, that is the flour, corn flour, baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix this well and set it aside. In another bowl, cream together butter along with brown sugar until it's light and fluffy. Add in eggs one at a time and beat them till it's mixed well. Add in vanilla followed by curd and give this all a nice mix. Now gently fold in dry mixture, don't overmix, so you will end up with a thick, smooth batter. Now for the crumble topping, we will mix cold butter with brown sugar, flour, cinnamon and salt until it looks like coarse sand. So line a muffin tray with paper liners and preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Scoop batter evenly into each one and I'm topping it with chocolate chips. Now comes the best part. Sprinkle a generous amount of the crumble topping on each muffin. This is what gives you that sweet, crunchy bite with every soft mouthful. Bake this for 15 to 20 minutes. Your kitchen will smell like cinnamon and butter heaven. And here they are, coffee cake muffins with a cinnamon crumble topping. Soft inside, crunchy on top and just perfect with your evening chai or coffee. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like it, save it and share it with someone who loves cozy bakes. Enjoy!